Good morning, students. Let's start today a new topic, note making and summarizing. It's a part of reading portion. Students in 11th and 12th standard are required to read a passage, and then based on their understanding of it, they have to produce notes and a summary, approximately 18 to 90 words. The task carries 8 marks. Division is 5 plus 3. Let's see how. Students, note making is similar as well as different from comprehension solving. Similar as it requires careful reading of the passage, and different as the reader is not required to answer any set of MCQs or short questions. Let's see how notes are made. Firstly, read the passage carefully to find out a heading or title. Title should be as brief and precise as possible. Clues to the title are often but not necessarily found in the opening or concluding paragraphs of the passage. ये टाइटल है आपको फर्स्ट पैराग्राफ में या लास्ट पैराग्राफ में मिल जाता है. जो आपने पीडीएफ में पैराग्राफ को अच्छे से रीड किया होगा उसमें आपको क्या फील हुआ, उसमें ये लगा होगा कि सारे पैराग्राफ में द ऑथर इज स्पीकिंग हाई ऑफ टमाटो, यानी वो टमाटो की प्रेज कर रहा है, यानी टमाटो के बारे में है ये पैराग्राफ. यस, फर्स्टली राइट द टाइटल. Tomato, a wonderful vegetable. Suppose I have given this title. You can give any other title also, but it should be brief. You can write all capitals or in this way also, but we have to double underline it. We have to double underline the title. After this, we have to write notes word here, and it carries 1 mark. Title carries 1 mark. Then you read that in the next part of the passage, uses of tomatoes are given. Write uses of tomato. Students, be careful that sentences are not acceptable during notes making. In heading or in subheadings, no sentences should be there. These should be phrases. Uses of tomato. We cannot write there are many uses of tomatoes. No, that would be a sentence. Sentences are seriously prohibited in notes making. Uses of tomato, and we should give it, this is heading, we should give it subheading. There can be 3-4 subheadings. As salad, taste maker in vegetable. Here I have used abbreviation of vegetable. I tell you why. To make nice meat, we have to use 4-5 words abbreviated, and we should put a star here. Second heading is nutrients in tomato. Vitamins A, B and C, proteins, carbohydrates, calcium. And while reading the passage, you found that much part of the passage deals with tomato as a panacea for many diseases. Panacea means a thing that can solve all problems. You read that it cures rickets, it strengthens teeth, bones, liver. You can write subheadings also like this. These are headings, these subheadings and subheadings also can be used if required. And then we write 4th heading, tomato as a beauty aid. In this way we complete it. 4 headings and 3 subheadings are sufficient. Then come to this stage. You have to write key to the abbreviations, and the words which we abbreviated here, whiz, widths, removes, this and, freckles, we should write full form of these abbreviations here. 4-5 are sufficient, and you get 1 mark here. And last of all, you have to write summary. Write the summary word here. Now read the headings and subheadings. You need not read the whole comprehension again. Read the headings and subheadings and make summary. Summary is to be written in sentences and 80-90 words are needed. In examination, students, you don't have time to count the words, so you should have a strategy. Leave lines according to your handwriting. Leave 10 lines, 9 lines that you feel are sufficient for writing 80 words. Then read these notes and complete your summary. Okay, let's check the notes that are written, supposing it to be written by a student. Yes, look at the screen. Tomato, a wonderful vegetable. The student is not writing notes word here. This is also a mistake. Secondly, student is writing there are many uses of tomato. These sentences are not acceptable. It is used as salad. It is not acceptable. Used as salad and as taste maker. Words should not be repeated and sentences should not be there. And here students, look here, it is heading and all capitals don't seem good because the heading is in all capitals and title is not in all capitals. We can follow this strategy. All capital in title and in headings main letters should be capital. In subheadings no capitals should be there, means capitals should be in decreasing order. In title all the letters capital. In headings main letters should be capital and in subheadings no letters should be capital. Here also first is created here because no margin is there. 1 here, 1.1, 1.2. Headings and subheadings are not highlighted. So we should write 1 here, 1.1 here, leaving the margin, and we should leave 1 line margin between these notes. Here 1 line margin is there. Here also 1 line margin is there, to make the notes look neat. In notes making, students, presentation matters a lot. If presentation is good, only then you get good score. You get 7.5 marks. Here also the student will not get any marks for abbreviation. Why? Because he is writing abbreviated words and full words here, but he has neither used it here nor any sign is there in the notes. No abbreviated words is used here, so no marks will be given. We have to use these abbreviated words in notes and then we have to make this box. Only 4 5 are sufficient. And last of all, the student is not writing summary word here. Summary word is necessary and 80 words are sufficient. If the examiner is asking 80 words, 82-3 will do. But if the child is writing 130 words in summary, only 1 mark will be given out of 3. Yes, if you write this way, for title you get 1 mark, for abbreviation you get 1, and for these notes you get 3 marks, and for summary you get 3 marks. This is the division. Okay, practice making notes at home. It requires a lot of practice, because if you don't practice, you will create first like this, somewhere capital, somewhere small, and the child is here also confused. He is giving A and B to the subtitles, and here 4.1, 4.1 and 1. This strategy should also be proper. Okay, thank you students.